Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed quickly, usually in just a few minutes, and will restore full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The two pieces should separate easily. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.